In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a photo to a Google Classroom assignment. Whether you're using Google Classroom for school or for other educational purposes, this task is common but essential to ensure you complete your assignments on time. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to classroom.google.com. Once there, sign in using your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you are logged into the one linked to your classroom. This will bring you to your dashboard where all your classes are displayed in a neat, organized manner. Next, scan through your classes and click on the one where your assignment is located. This step is important as each class may have different assignments and resources. Once you are in the class, locate the Classwork tab. Clicking on this tab is crucial because it's where all the assignments, materials, and additional resources are listed. It serves as the heart of your class's activities. Now scroll through until you find the assignment you need to work on. Assignments are usually titled, making it easy for you to identify the right one. Once you have found it, click on it to access more details. Within the assignment, there's a button that says View Instructions. Click on it to get a complete understanding of what is expected. Instructions might include specific details or formats required, so don't skip this step as it's key to completing your submission correctly. Once you're familiar with the instructions, you'll see an Add or Create button. Click on it and select File. This option allows you to upload your work directly from your computer or device. A new window will pop up, and you'll want to click Select Files from your device. This is the moment where you choose the photo you intend to upload. Make sure your photo is saved in a recognizable format such as JPEG or PNG to avoid any compatibility issues. After you've selected your photo, click Upload. This uploads the photo to your assignment. Wait a few moments for it to fully upload. Once the upload is complete, you'll be able to click the Turn In button. This step is significant as it submits your work for your teacher or instructor to review. A confirmation message will appear asking you to click Turn In again. It's always good to double check to ensure everything is uploaded correctly. Confirming the submission ensures your photo is properly submitted and ready for evaluation. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a photo to a Google Classroom assignment. Whether you're new to Google Classroom or just needed a refresher, these steps should guide you to confidently upload and submit your work every time. Remember, the more you interact with the platform, the easier it becomes. Thanks for tuning in and happy learning.